Hadian bu samla Kitkupar Nongsiej uwenu samla na Jylla Meghalaya na shnong kinshi ulalej banishim Mynta ha Khubor Jowai hari America Las Vegas kabla tip ka World Championship Performance Arts bat kabawla Wanrah ru ya kana bat Burom ya Jylla Meghalaya bat ya kari India watla amshimla poi sha thong jong jinjob hinre ula yo bat ban khur ya kana habawla yo ban khur likely bronze medal but atli golden medal lingba ka jingtibit jong ha ka kamrwai habawla wan ningkong na ka top 10 Kumta na kalyang ka Don Bosco Media Network, kabla batin din tiyo samla Kitkupar Nongsiej shimbenta hagate grinsan, bat ubalong ru unong job hagasorkin ut season 3, lembat kajingas no ktien bat sorkar Jylla, hagashiteng Sngi jong ka arpasan tari unaitung, kabade ka Sngi bo Kitkupar wan pai shalak Jylla, Shah Pdiang Burom lembat kijingle Burom halor kanam, ba Kitkupar Wanrah, kabalong Khyndailad hakmat ka assembly barim ka Jylla, Habaladon lang uba paya Nongbri, Acting Director of Directors and Youth Affairs ke Sorkar Jylla, Director ke Don Bosco Media Network, Kikpau Kid, lembat kinong shnong ke kinshi, kibla sinran lang yu kid nadu ke airport Guwahati. Haba ay jingkren na kalyang ukong san, ula ay ke jingero yu samla Kitkupar, ula Wanrah ay kanam ke Burom ya ke Jylla hi baru kawai, lembat ya kari India hi. Hakaba ula ong, kalong ke basmotanat haba ki samla ki yo pindon kam hong ila kasam.
Welcoming program. Today we gather here with immense pride and joy as we welcome home Babak Kitkupar Nongsiej. Representing our community, our beautiful state and our country at the World Championship of Performing Arts is an extraordinary achievement and we are truly proud of you. Your dedication and courage towards your talent has inspired us all, especially the young generations, to dream big and believe that with hard work and determination, anything is possible. So, to celebrate this special homecoming, I would like to dedicate a song to Babak Kit, and the name of the song is Kloi. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in giving Babak Kitkupar Nongsiej a warm and heartfelt big round of applause. Shakliar kanam kasep kasnam kan play watia kiklur watrei aram tang panyo kabam durut tingge wat kasan kaban ban in kerteng paksa kanam wat long kikleng Bajwat laba kiklur pinhap nyai Shah mensim kat bala ringkat kasnam tu Lakatin kakang tutur bet syabrang syadili lewaran waki wegitan tutur wat lakatang Watin katin kakang tu mensil syendra Shakliar kanam kasep kasnam kan play wadiam Shashagi klur watrei aram tang banyo kabam dunut tingge wat kasan kaban Shashagi klur oh Shashagi klur
Sports and Youth Affairs Government of Meghalaya. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to Babak Kitkupar Nongsiej on his outstanding achievement at the 28th World Championships of Performing Arts 2026 in Las Vegas, USA. Congratulations, Babak Kit. Tolong ke Khubor Sokben Shibun Natai Om Tangi Kinong Yalam Jompi Andre Wat Yangi Kinong Penya Nakabenta Ka Roy Kapat Naki Kena Samlah Kani Kadong Patan Para Ka Jylla Hibor Away. Being among the top 5 finalists in the vocalists of the world, winning 3 gold medals, 2 bronze, and receiving the first place scholarship award is a remarkable accomplishment in itself. You have brought pride to Meghalaya. Pilawan Yalam Yaka Kay Gabasno Tanat Yaka Jylla Jungi, but Ni Kerman Bapindang Yachaprang, Bapindang Yai Job, Bapindang Yai Ra Burom Yaka Ri Khasi Jungi. Kitkupar journey proves that talent, when matched with hard work and determination, can take a young person from a small village in Kinshi, in Meghalaya, to the international stage. We are especially proud that he participated in the Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program, which started long back in 2013, and he was part of the contingent which went to Indonesia, led by the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs. I think he also recently was part of the contingent in the Viksit Bharat in Srinagar, right? Yeah, congratulations again to you. We are very proud actually of him, including, being part of the renowned Shillong Chamber Choir. His success is an inspiration to every young person in our state. I would like to sincerely thank the sorkar organized by the Don Bosco Media Network in collaboration with the Don Bosco Media Network Television and the Don Bosco Youth Center for providing a platform that nurtures young talent. My heartfelt appreciation also goes to Father Michael Makri, Khubor Shillong Father, Ngatrai PPD Uwe ki Richard, ki ba Yalam Nenti, ban penorlong ikini ki kam prepare kabentagi samla jungi. I also congratulate Kitkupar's parents, Ba Iban, Simli, Marikong, Ba Iban di Batrish Tamudo Katata, not only in the music industry but even in sports. He's president of the Meghalaya Kho Association. He's also member of the East and West Archery Association. Kalau kengke ke bas tenat ba Aiban ba Ikong ban ai min siem ki kun ba kin be ekatong ba ki kwa ba nga pensilori borokhay ki kimin ki paro ba kin buat ya ni gatinjap kaba nakaliang di ba Aiban ba Ikong ru kile. My appreciation extend to the people of Kinshi village for their warm send-off and unwavering support to every mentor, teacher, friend and well-wisher who stood by him. Kitkupar, today you are more than a champion. You are an inspiration. Your success reminds every young person that dreams have no boundaries. With dedication, humility and perseverance, anything is possible. The Department of Sports and Youth Affairs remains committed to creating more opportunities for our youths to excel and represent Meghalaya on national and international platforms. Once again, congratulations Kitkupar. You have become a proud ambassador of Meghalaya, rich musical heritage. May God continue to bless you with wisdom, good health and many more achievements in the years ahead. Thank you, Mitala. Jai Hind.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha uput usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them artli ki Jylla ha ka benta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phautli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin bniah ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hangta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pa ka Khubor bala pau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan don tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya bentalang hinrei ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher de na kata ka daw kini artli ki Jylla Mynta ki dang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan